Quick tour around the boat. Just been doing some work down here. Finally got up on some cradles after 3 months because the crane had been broken, so I can start getting a canopy over it now, so I can get it in the dry so I can do some works. The hooped canopy like that in plastic conduit. Cut the old scaffold board bilge kills off. Kill band's got to be cut off. It's no good. No point in keeping it. Gary's wheelhouse that he made up for me on Celotex blocks on its roof. Quick look inside. Front windows there. Front windows ready to cut out. Side windows. Rear window, the door cuts out next to it. The old crappy rudder system cut out, and Lansing Marine are making me a new one. That's being manufactured now. Quick look inside. Oh. Right, the wheelhouse finishes where this tape is. It comes back to there, so it's quite a big wheelhouse. And there's the cut for it at the front. The old hatch will be filled in, not having a hatch anymore. So that area can be got all the marine ply, all the templates cut for the marine ply to go down. So that'll be my nice big new wheelhouse. Once the canopy's over, which is made up of all this conduit joined together, form a hoop like that, I can start bailing all this out and drying all this out, and then my engine is being delivered tomorrow. That'll go onto there for the time being whilst this is all being prepped up, and then can start getting the decking down at the sides. All this has got to be glassed in. It's all got to be dried out thoroughly, and all grinded down and glassed in. All the beams are glassed, sides and bottoms, so they've all got to be glassed in. So can't wait to get the canopy over. Be a hooped affair like that. So the engine, once that engine bay's cleaned out, we can see what timbers we need to put onto the existing bearers to jack it up, to connect up to the shaft. So lots to do.